Welcome back. In the previous class, we studied about the identifiers, rules creating identifiers, what are tokens available in the C language. So from that tokens, we studying about the operators. What are operators? Operator is a symbol which perform operation on operands. See categories of operators. What are the categories of operator? Binary operator, unary operator, and also the ternary operator. What are operators? Unary operator. Come to unary operator. Unary operator is an operator. In unary operator, just we have to perform operation on one operand. Unary operator is an operator that performing operation on only one operand. Okay, so operation performing on only one operand is called unary operator. Binary operator is an operator that is performing the operation on in between the two operands. Binary, bi is 2, unary is single. What is ternary operator? Ternary operator is an operator which performing their operation on 3 operands. That is ternary operator. Ternary operator. So this is unary operator, binary operator, ternary. Before going to see unary, binary, ternary, we have to see what is an operator, what is an operand, what is the special value, what is the tokens which are available in an expression. In an expression, we have to see an expression. For example, x is equal to a plus 2 into 5.3 multiplied with b. This is an expression. What is this? Expression. C expression. What is an expression? Expression is a statement. What is an expression? Expression is a statement which may have different tokens. That is operands, operators, special symbols. Expression may contain operands, operators, special symbols. What are operands here in this expression? X is an operand, B is an operand, A is an operand. Operands. Operands available in this expression, A, X, B are the operands. A, X, B are the operands available in this expression. Operands available in this expression. Okay. So now we have to see about the expression operands. We have to see expression operands. Expression operands. What are expression operands? Operands are there X, A, B in this expression. What are operators? Is equal to is an operator, plus is an operator, asterisk is an operator. What are operators? These are operators. Operators. What other than operands and operators? What other than the operands and operators which are available in an expression? So that is equal to dot. Dot is an special symbol. Open flower bracket is a special symbol. Closed flower bracket is a special symbol. Semicolon is a special symbol. Dot is a special symbol. What are these special symbols? Special symbols. An expression is a statement. An expression is a statement which is available in the C language. An expression contains operands, operators and the special symbols. So after every expression evaluating, we can get a value. We can get a value after every expression evaluation. Okay. So how it evaluates, we will see in the next classes. So this is an expression. Expression may contain operators, operand and special symbols. Expression may contain operators, operands and the special symbols. Clear? So now we have to see about the operators and the categories of operators. These categories will be representing different kind of operators are there. Different kind of operators are there. We have to see for this expressions. For this expression, see what are operators. Operator is a symbol which perform operation on something. If an operator performing on one operand, so for example that operand is called plus plus a. Plus plus a. Plus plus is an operator, a is an operand. So only one operator is performing on only one operand is called unary operator. Plus plus a or minus minus a or plus plus b or minus minus b minus a plus plus b plus plus, likewise. Many kind of operators are there. An operator acting on only one operand. So okay, that is called what? Unary operator. An operator acting on only one operand. An operator acting on only one operand. So that is called, simply called unary operator. Next come to binary operator. What is a binary operator? Binary operator is an operator which performs an operator performing an operation in between the two operands is called binary operator. For example, A is an operand, B is an operand. Now plus is which category operator? Plus is a binary operator. Plus is a binary operator. So an operator acting on only one operand, that is unary operator. An operator acting on two operands, that is called binary operator. A is one operand, B is one operand. Plus is an operator acting on both two operands, in between two operands, that is called binary operator. Binary operator. Next, ternary operator. An operator acting on only three operands. Ternary operator acting on three operands. So that is called ternary operator. See this ternary operator. Ternary operator question mark colon will be representing in C language. Ternary operator is representing in C language. Ternary operator representing in C language question mark colon. Question mark colon. Ternary operator. Ternary operator representation that is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 question mark, expression 3. expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, not question mark, colon, expression 3 colon, expression 3 colon, expression 3. So if an operator acting on one operand, unary. If an operator acting on two operands, binary. An operator acting on three operands, ternary. 3. Expression 1 is one operand, expression 2 is two operand, expression 3 is three operand. An expression, an operand, the ternary operator working in between the three operands or the three expressions in between. We simple say ternary operator. Simplification of ternary operator. See, ternary operators available in the C language is like this. Unary operator. Operator types. Operators in C language, operator types are many types. So in these operators we are seeing three categories, unary, binary and the ternary. So unary increment operators, increment and decrement, unary increment and decrement operators, unary operators. Arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all arithmetic operators are binary operators. Why? Because arithmetic operators performing in between two operands. Logical operators are also performing in between the two operands. Logical AND operator, logical OR operator, logical NOT operator. And also relational operators, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double is equal to, not is equal to. Is equal to. Assignment operator is also a binary operator category. Assignment operator, bitwise operator, bitwise AND or left shift operator and the right shift operator, bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator and bitwise right shift operator, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, students, bitwise right shift operators. So we are having the bitwise operators also representing the binary operators. Assignment operators are the operators. Assignment operators will be having is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, divide is equal to. Assignment short form of assignment operators are these. So those operators are also binary operator. Ternary operator we studied, question mark and colon is the ternary operator. So operators are of how many? 7 categories. 3 categories, 7 types. Okay. So we simply categorize it into C, L, A, R, A, B, U, S. B, U, S. Okay. So these are the operators which are available in the C Larabus for identification. C, conditional operator. Or we simply say that ternary operator. Conditional operator or ternary operator. What is that operator? Is the binary operator. Question mark, colon. Question mark and colon are the ternary operator. Next, logical operators. Logical operators are the operator logical AND representation, logical OR representation, logical NOT representation, AND or NOT. Logical operators are also binary operators. Next, assignment operators. Assignment operator, double is equal to, not is equal to, less than or is equal to, greater than or is equal to, etc. Next, assignment operator is also binary type. Next, relational operators. Relational operators. What are relational operators, sir? Less than, greater than, less than or is equal to, greater than or is equal to. Relational operators. Assignment is not this. Assignment operator less than, greater than, likewise operators are also there. Less than, less than, greater than, equal to those operators. Next, assignment operators. Next, I forgot that. That is relational operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, plus, minus, into, division, modulo division, etc. Arithmetic operators. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are the operators are there. Left shift, right shift operator, bitwise or bitwise AND operator, bitwise NOT operators. All are binary category operators. Unary operator, unary plus plus, unary minus minus operator, plus plus minus minus, and another size of is also an operator, size of function is also an operator. Special operators. Special operator, dot operator, square bracket operators, normal bracket operators, floor brackets operators, etc. Semicolon operator, dot operator, comma operator. All other the operators which are performing in the C language. Operators. Operator is a symbol which performing operation on an operand. An operand. Operators are of how many categories? 3 categories. Unary operator, binary operator, and ternary operator. Unary operator is an operator which performing operation on only one operand. Binary operator is an operator which performing operation on only 2 operands. Ternary operator is an operator which performing operation on 3 operands. Is called ternary operator. Operator categories, operator types are there. 7 types of operators are there. What is C? Conditional operator or ternary operator. Conditional operator. L for logical operator. A assignment operator. R relational operator. A arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator. B bitwise operators. U unary operator. S special operators. C Lara bus is the simple notation for representing is knowing operators in the C language. Operators in the C language. With this, we have to stop the session with these operators. So we will come in the next session. We have to discuss about the next topics. Okay? Thank you.